Good morning. We are heading to our next campsite. It's in like the middle of nowhere, so we've
National park.
Yeah, it's in a national park, so we've got some food and snacks to keep us alive for a day.
Essentials.
Yeah, pies.
Most importantly, Tim Tams.
Yeah.
Somewhere down there.
Sometimes. So we're gonna do a little time lapse of us unloading it for fun. I hope you enjoyed that short time lapse. My hair looks like crazy. We have an hour and a half until we get to this next campsite, and it's in a national park, and we're gonna hopefully see kangaroos on the beach. So it's gonna be exciting. Mom got some more sweets. Let's give them a haul.
Okay, fine. We've not had these ones. These are tea.
Tea.
These are good.
Yeah.
These are good. And then this is party mix. So this has
We got this
combination.
because she likes the bananas, and then we got some fruit pastels.
And then we got
they're
Mentos from yesterday.
yeah, Mentos from the other day.
We've got plenty of sweets, plenty of
Yeah,
snacks.
so this to say this is only an hour and 30-minute car ride. We are set. So the first one I tried is the teeth. I think I might have to spit it out. It tastes like spearmint. Don't recommend the teeth. It literally tastes like spearmint. She's eating them again. So she wouldn't let me spit it out, so she made me eat it. It was pretty big sweet. So I'm gonna try raspberry. Oh my god. I can't believe you're eating those. Do you like them?
Yeah, they're just not what I expected. No.
They're disgusting. Okay. Oh shh. Now let's try it. Oh, raspberry. Kind of tastes like medicine. I'm not a huge like sweet kind of gal. Have you tried these yet?
Yeah. Very much party mix.
They kind of taste like medicine a little. Kids Tylenol gives me a hint of Kids Tylenol. We stopped at McKay. Apparently there's a lake and a lagoon and a Target. The Target's here.
I think so, yeah.
And a big W. We need to get hash browns for tonight. We're at the lagoon, but I don't have my swimming costume on. We've made it. I took a nap on the way here, but honestly, what's new? I can't keep my eyes open whilst we're in the car. But we've made it to the campsite. This is the campsite where at 4 in the morning, we're gonna wake up and hopefully there will be kangaroos on the beach. And the beach is right there. So that's exciting. Apparently there's golf, so we're gonna go play golf. Me and Ed will be here tonight. It looks so cozy because we have trees all around us and the beach. We have to hang our towels to dry and clothes, if you wonder what that is. But we're off to go play golf. It's very pretty. It's Maui settled in. There's a wallaby or a kangaroo. So little.
Go and find him around there.
There was a kangaroo just jumping around. There it is. Yeah. He literally was like running, and the ship,
I was there focusing on my second shot, and this thing the size of Mom comes jumping at me. It weighs more than me. It's bigger than Mom.
That is so funny. So funny.
Put your face a bit more forward. Okay. I'm gonna go get my camera.
She hasn't even got a camera.
I'm gonna get my camera. Bear with me one moment.
Oh,
Can't see a freaking finger. Okay.
look at these big boy ants. No, those ants. So Ben wanted mini golf, but we're just gonna move on from this clip. He wanted it in the vlog, but we don't need to talk about it. So yeah. He doesn't believe that I said it.
No, I believe you. I just want everyone to know I won.
There's half the end of the truck. We're walking to the beach, so we know where we're going at 4 in the morning, so we don't get lost. Yeah. We're on the beach. Very pretty. The sun's setting over there. Ben decided to stay because he's too much of a pussy. He literally looked at the sand and he goes, okay, I've seen enough. He didn't
even get sand on his little feet. Oh, bless him.
But this is the beach we'll be on at 4 o'clock in the morning. So. What?
Looking for kangaroos.
But on the bright side, we'll see a sunrise. We never see sunrises because we'd rather sleep.
I bet the sun's gonna rise that way.
Yeah, it's gonna look really good.
Yeah.
Let us know what the calling for a kangaroo is because he thinks it's this. I heard they like, isn't it like a sheep? I feel like that's what I remember from last year. And what is it when they're happy? We're back from the beach and there's more kangaroos. So we had dinner. It was really, really good. And now we're gonna head to bed. Ben's already in bed. He's all cozy up in his cage, we call it. His cabin. His penthouse. His bird's nest. So we'll see you tomorrow. And we'll see you at 4 o'clock in the morning.
Hopefully show you some kangaroos.
Good night. Bye.